We employ about 1,600 men and about 400 contractors in the UK. As a company at that size, employing that many men, it seemed only right that we should do some kind of campaign to promote men's health issues. Men are notoriously bad for not seeking help. They won't go to the doctors, they won't talk to their friends about these issues that may arise, and they'll leave things too late. So what we tried to do was raise some kind of awareness through posters, through newsletters, through general campaigns on the internet, on our own websites. The campaign's been going for 3 years now. This year's campaign, we brought in some true life stories from our own people.
A couple of years ago, I wasn't feeling very well. I've been ignoring it, but the campaign itself made me think I really ought to get myself checked out. I went to the doctor and the doctor told me I had high blood pressure.
On New Year's Eve 2010, I went to my consultants and was diagnosed with a form of testicular cancer. Before I went to the doctor, I left it approximately a year. I knew there was something wrong, but it's trying to come to terms with the fact that there is something wrong. The reason why I wanted to be part of the campaign was to really draw attention to the fact that if you do leave and don't go to the doctor, it can cause a problem. Although I didn't, I would like other people to be aware that you really should.
I was happy to be part of the campaign to raise awareness on skin cancer and safety in the sun. I have to be careful myself, of course, after my experience. I wear blockouts and I wear hats and heavy weave clothing most of the time. If you see an obvious damage to skin, like a crustacean or a mole changing colour or shape, get advice. Go and see your doctor.
I have regular checkups, have to keep going back, make sure my blood pressure's okay, and it's now stable. Because of having been involved in that, I then had another more recent episode where I wasn't feeling well, and because of what I'd found earlier, I went straight to the doctor. Got it sorted out straight away, resulted in me going to hospital for an operation, which I needed to do fairly quickly.
Recognising and preventing men's health issues is not just a man's problem. The impact that it has on family, friends, colleagues is immense. It's not just a man's issue, it's a shared issue.